Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of April. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of April 2021. What are the messages? I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? To be fair, never ending story, all that glitters is not gold. 2 more messages, not for you, and there is soulmate. So in your main reading too, I told you you can have a look on that there is a soulmate which is coming for you, Aquarius, and in this reading also there is a soulmate which is coming for you. Okay, you want to be fair here. To be fair, you want to be fair, you want to treat someone with fairness here. You do not want to do injustice with someone, and you're thinking that this is never ending story. Okay, so but you are not looking that you have wings, you have mirror, you can use this mirror and look yourself and see that you have wings and you can fly. Okay, you are not looking that. Okay, you are thinking that this is never ending story, it repeats again and again, and here I'm having all that glitters and not for you. So there is something here which is shining like a gold, but that is not for you here, Aquarius. That is not for you. And there is soulmate card which is coming for you. So beautiful message. Let's see more. 5 message. Spiritual union. So let's see. Don't worry, Aquarius. There is something which is not for you. Okay, so don't worry, and there is a soulmate which is coming for you. I know you want to treat someone with fairly, and just I have seen it one. I think it will be visible to you or not in this scale of justice. Okay, this is the same thing which is there in the picture here. I hope it will be visible to you. I'll try. Okay, I think it will be visible. It's the same thing which is placed here. So whatever the thing you are thinking that I want to treat him right, maybe it's a person or it's a thing, that is not for you here. Okay, this is not for you here, divine feminine, I was going to say. Okay, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, this is not for you. Okay, you want to treat them fairly, but this is not for you. This is not for you. Okay, now let's see 5 messages from this deck. What are the 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Authority. This is the Emperor. Okay, what are the 4 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Suffering in silence. Spiritual strength. Give me 2 more messages. Wow. Fertility. This is Empress. This is Empress, this is Emperor. Both are here. 1 more message. Partnership and alliances. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to show you the number synchronicities too. Okay, there is 9 and 9 here. Can you see? There is 9 and 9. You're going to complete a cycle. Okay, you are closing out a cycle. And here I'm having 3 3. So maybe you are getting lot of 3 3 3 number synchronicities, or 999 synchronicities, or 666 number synchronicities here. Okay, This is the emperor who is suffering in silence here. Can you see? This is your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate. They are suffering here in silence. Okay. But don't worry, the spiritual strength is coming, because as you know that divine masculines are going through awakening. Okay. So they are going to become more spiritual here. Spiritual strength is coming for them. There is here empress I am having, and there is partnership and alliances. So new partnership alliances are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. Here I'm having soulmates. Okay. There is a soulmate which is coming for you. And here I'm having emperor and the empress both. Okay. This is a divine counterpart. Beautiful. Beautiful. There are new partnership and alliances which are coming for you. Now let's see what are the messages from my twin flame tarot deck. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages. 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Soul mission. Make a choice. Ascension, karma and denial. Bottom of the deck I'm having I love you. So your counterpart is trying to reach you out, divine feminines or the divine masculines, basically Aquarius. Aquarius, your divine counterpart is trying to reach you out. Okay, they are trying to reach you out here. Okay, so the message is that are you in denial of something? Okay, denial is here. Are you in denial of something? That's why here is this is not for you. Okay, maybe you are denying that this is for me, but this is not for you. There is something which is not for you here, Aquarius. Okay, so are you in denial of something which is not for you here? There is make a choice. You are sending mixed signals to the universe. Okay, I know you want to be fair, you want to treat people fair, okay, relationships fair, but you are sending mixed signals to the universe. So you have to make a choice. Okay, then there is soul mission. Focus on your soul mission, Aquarius. You are having a soul mission and work on your soul mission here. You need to work on your soul mission. That's the message. Rising into soul's lights, shedding old limitations, ascension. This is the same message which I receive in general divine masculine feminine twin flame reading for all, and this is the same message I'm getting for you. You are going through an ascension process. You are getting on a higher self here. Okay, as you know that you're getting more spiritual strength. Why you are getting more spiritual strength? Because you are shedding old limitations. Okay, and here I'm having karma. Soon you are going to receive your good karma. Okay, your good karma is going to come in your life here. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see more messages from the connection. There is a connection which is coming for you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. That will be your twin flame, yin yang. Okay, because I'm doing the twin flame and soulmate reading together, so some of you are going to meet your soulmate, and some of you are going to meet your twin flame. So now let's see 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow, wow. See, bottom of the deck I'm having connection again. There is a soulmate which is coming for you, Aquarius. Definitely there is a soulmate which is coming for you. Soulmates and the soulmate connection, a soulmate connection is coming for you. That's true. Soulmate connection is coming for you. This is beautiful. Here I can see the emperor and the empress both are here. Okay, So there is a soulmate which is coming for you. See, soulmate and the soulmates. Beautiful. Let me see more messages. Give me 4 messages. Luminosity, that means when you start loving yourself. One card has fallen out. 1 minute, I need to pick up that card. Okay, so this was the card which fallen out. This is worthiness, and this is luminosity. That means these two cards says when you start loving yourself here, when you start focusing on yourself, when you set up healthy boundaries around yourself, when you work on your creativity, you become Empress here, Aquarius. You become on your highest self. Can you see? You become on your highest self. I can see you like this. Okay, become in your higher power. You are in a right now in a higher frequencies here. I can say that. Give me 2 more messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Creativity and maturity. Okay, see, maturity is here. Okay, so this was the same message that spiritual maturity is coming for you. Spiritual strength, maturity is coming for you. Can you see in these 2 pictures, there is a divine, there is an angel who is with you here. So now you are becoming more mature than before, because now you are working on your creativity, you are working on yourself, you're focusing on self-love here. Can you see? Creativity is here. So you are working on your creativity, and that's beautiful. You should work on your creativity. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay. So there is a wake up call here. Okay, wake up call. And there is strengthen your gifts. Okay, strengthen your gifts and seek hidden treasures. So you need to seek hidden treasures, see the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, there is a wake up call. Okay, and strengthen your gifts. Beautiful. Let's see what you need to surrender here, Aquarius. What is the thing which Aquarius needs to surrender? Please give me messages for this twin flame soulmate reading. What does Aquarius needs to surrender? Surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. So you need to take a break and surrender yourself to the play here, Aquarius. Okay. There is surrender to the spirit. Once you have done everything you can to achieve a goal, turn the situation of the to the divine. Let spirit work is magic for you. Okay, let the spirit do the magic here. Okay, so you need to surrender yourself to the spirit. Surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with a uniqueness and worth that come from just being you. So just surrender yourself of who you are. So beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see one message. Okay, from the power of love and its ownership. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them as all lessons. So you take ownership of all the things which has happening in your life, whether it's a lesson, whether it's whatever, blessings, whatever it is. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see a soul lesson. What is the soul lesson for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What is... Okay, there are 3 messages. Courage, patience and denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. So that's the soul lesson which you need to learn here, Aquarius. There is a denial here. There is patience. I accept that everything happens in the divine order. Okay, so you need to learn the soul lesson of patience. Have patience. Okay, everything will happen according to the divine timing. Then there is courage. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the life purpose of Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What is the life purpose? One more. What is the life purpose? Okay. Creative expression and speaker. Okay. So your life purpose involves your skills of oration here, Aquarius. Okay. So you can be a speaker here. There is creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself creatively. So you can be a good painter. Okay. So that can be a possibility here. So these are the two life purpose of you, Aquarius. Okay. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see some messages from the universe. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me one or two message. Okay. Learn to love your body and embrace it. Okay. See, this is the same message of surrender to the magic of who you are. Okay. So this is the same message from the universe. Learn to love your body here. Okay. Learn to love your body and embrace it. Surrender to the magic of who you are. So this is the message here. Don't compare yourself to others. You are unique. Okay, Aquarius? You are unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Expand your horizons. Do not settle for less than what you truly deserves. Okay, do not settle for less what you truly deserves. And define what activates your passion and motivates you. Okay, so work on your passion here. Do the things which your soul activates the passion, whatever thing activates inside of you. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see messages from the angels and ancestors. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame? That was fast. Okay, so there is a knight and there is animal guardian. Be brave and honest here, Aquarius. You need to be brave and honest. Okay, animal guardian is here. Trust your instinct. So you need to trust your instinct and be brave and honest. So these are the two messages for you from the angels and ancestors. Thank you, angels and ancestors, for giving the messages. Let's see messages from angels answers. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Bottom of the deck I'm having meditation brings answers. Okay, but it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, you have to do your meditation, Aquarius. Meditation will bring all the answers, but it's up to you. There is a success which is coming for you. The success will come, but you need to do your meditation. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from the angels. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Forgiveness and understanding is required, Aquarius. You need to forgive others and forgive yourself too. Okay, so forgiveness and understanding here is required. There are learning experiences. Okay, so learning experiences is here. Then there is do the work. That means you need to complete your healing. Okay, do your inner work, complete your healing. and there is a transformation which is taking place for you. In your main reading too, there was a transformation message for you. So transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. So this is beautiful. Let's see more messages from the angels. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Protection. What is the message? Okay. There is a protection. Your guardian angels are always with you and forever by your side, Aquarius. You are fully secure and protected by your angels here. This is very powerful and this is very beautiful message for you. Okay, you are having a protection from the angels. Codes of attachment. Pray to Archangel Michael and request him to cut the cords of attachment that bind you to person, situation and addictions. Replace these codes with love and light. So you can call, you can pray to Archangel Michael. That will help you out to cut the codes to a relationship or a situation or any addiction which is not good for you. So this is the message I'm getting here. Then there is parents. You have imbibed qualities and patterns from your parents. Retain the good ones and discard the negative ones. So Aquarius, you must be understanding this message that you have to keep the good qualities which you receive from your parents, and you have to discard the negative ones here which you receive from your parents. There is third eye. Angels wants you to start meditative practice to activate your third eye. Clear visions, intuitions and angelic communication is waiting for you. So you need to do your meditation here, Aquarius. Complete your meditation. Okay, that's why the angel is saying you again and again that complete your meditations. There are clear visions, there are things angel wants to communicate with you, but you need to do your meditation here. Okay, activate your third eye here. Then there is past life. Relationships in this life are karmic and carried over from the past lives. Angels wants you to go through them gracefully. So you are dealing with some past life connections, and angels wants you to go through them gracefully. 1212 or the recording reading time. So let's see one message from this deck. Okay, so if you are trapped in any kind of bad health, okay, so you are going to get out of that zone, because here I can see that distant horizons. That means the ships are coming for you. The good things are coming for you here, Aquarius. And here I'm having family room. Make your family room more, I can say, available. Okay, clear out the clutter, clean out your family room here. Make a space in your family room for your person, for your divine counterpart, for your twin flame, for your soulmate. Here I'm having marriage card here again. Okay, so some of you are going to get married with this person. So beautiful messages. Let's add some tarot. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Page of Wands. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Maybe you are getting number synchronicities of 222. Okay. What are the messages of Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Too many messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Wands. Okay, this is your twin flame here. So maybe you are receiving some kind of passionate beginning. Page of Wands and Four of Swords. You are doing your healing, you are resting, and you are rejuvenating yourself. Right now you are unable to make a decision here, Aquarius. You are juggling between two situations or two persons. You are unable to make a decisions. But don't worry. Keep your patience with you here. The divine is saying, have patience, Aquarius. Don't worry if you are unable to make a decision, but use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. You can use your intuitions here, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is Two of Cups, Four of Wands here. Can you see? So this is your divine counterpart. Someone wants to give you Two of Cups, and this is your marriage card also, 1111 card also, twin flame card also. Here I'm having Five of Wands, Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands here. So you are spending sleepless nights because of the past things. You are still standing up and you are saying that you are protecting yourself, and you're saying that I'm not going to give up, and that's beautiful, Aquarius. But don't worry, take a leap of faith here. The Fool card is here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, okay? Because transformation is taking place for you, okay? Transformation is taking place for you here. There is Ace of Pentacles. Stable committed offer is coming towards you from, and you will move in a forward direction. You are not going to stuck here, okay? The Chariot is here. You are going to move in a forward direction. There I am having King of Cups, and here I am having Emperor again. This can be a water sign, okay? So you are going to move in a forward direction. You are going to receive some kind of stable committed offer, a commitment here from your divine counterpart, from your soulmate, from your twin flame here. Transformation is taking place here, Aquarius. Okay, this is Six of Cups. This is someone from your past. Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. This is Star here. See, the Star and the Hierophant. Okay, they want to give you commitment. Okay, they want to give you commitment here. So new hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius. So that's what I was having for you. Now let's see the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? Okay, they can be a Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Capricorn. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? They can be a Virgo, Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Gemini. Okay, let me see more signs. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Okay, so they can be an Aquarius here. They can be an Aries. Okay. They can be in Pisces here. They can be in water and air element. Okay, so they can be a water element here. And air, water and air. There can be an earth and air. Fire and earth. Water and fire. They can be a March baby here, and they can be a September baby here. So these are the signs which you may be dealing with. Let me add some messages from your romance oracle, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, so what are the messages for Aquarius See, forgiveness is required, Aquarius. Forgiveness is here. Forgiveness and learning. Forgive and heal your heart. You need to forgive here. Then there is chaser. Fear of abandonment, self-esteem issues, or codependent issues. So maybe you are in a chaser form. Stop chasing and focus on yourself. There is healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationships or addictions. This was the Four of Swords energy. That's why you're doing your healing, you're resting and rejuvenating yourself. There is retreat, time to disconnect from the world. Okay. So you are doing your resting and rejuvenating yourself. Someone is in codependent issues, that is for sure. See, codependency, addictions is here. So you have to work on this here, Aquarius. There is getting to know each other and calling in your soulmate. So you're calling your soulmate here, and you will get to know each other here. There is let your friends help you, ask and accept support here. Religious factors and spiritual factors are affecting your love life. Inspired thoughts, alignment brings incredible ideas, new thoughts, new reality, new decisions and actions. So these are the messages from your romance oracle deck. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Okay, sending you lots of love, healing light, and take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.